Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to tell you how to make Knorr Hot and Sour Soup. It is very simple and it takes about 1 minute. Ingredients: 1 packet of Knorr copper soup hot and sour veg, that is 10.5 gram. 150 ml hot water. Method: first of all you have to open the packet. I have to pour the 150 ml of hot water into the cup. So I have poured it 150 ml of hot water into the cup and I'm stir continuously to avoid lumps. I have to stir continuously to avoid lumps. Wait for 1 minute. Your, your Knorr hot and sour soup is ready for serve. Tips: use freshly boiled hot water for the best taste. Stir immediately after adding water to ensure smooth texture. Do not cook or boil the soup after mixing, as mentioned on the packet. For extra flavor, you can add a few chopped spring onion, coriander leaf, or a pinch of black pepper. So friends, my soup is ready, not hot and sour. So friends, if you like my video, hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Bye friends.